Are you tired of spending too much time chopping, dicing, and slicing in the kitchen? Meet the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper, your new meal prep hero. This 4-in-1 kitchen gadget is not just a time saver, but also a game changer for anyone who wants to prepare meals efficiently and mess-free. The original Pro Chopper has taken social media by storm, and it's easy to see why. With its simple setup and easy-to-clean design, it's perfect for busy home cooks. Featuring rust-resistant 420 stainless steel blades, this chopper lets you effortlessly dice potatoes, slice cucumbers, or julienne carrots, all while retaining razor-sharp precision for crisp, smooth cuts. Before we go any further, let me emphasize that this is an honest review. While I may earn a few cents in commission if you choose to buy through my link, I genuinely believe in recommending only products that are worth your time and money. I won't waste your hard-earned cash for the sake of a small commission. Ergonomics and safety are at the forefront of its design. The soft grip TPU handle provides maximum control for easy chopping, while the non-skid rubberized bottom ensures stability on any surface, wet or dry. Plus, the built-in catch tray eliminates mess, keeping your counters clean and making cleanup a breeze. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper isn't just practical, it's versatile. From prepping veggies for stir-fries to slicing onions for salads, this multi-purpose kitchen essential simplifies every step of meal prep. And when you're done, toss the chopper into the top rack of your dishwasher for easy cleaning. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced chef, the Fullstar Food Chopper deserves a spot in your kitchen. With its compact design, lightweight 2-pound build, and durable materials, it's the perfect companion for healthy, hassle-free cooking. Ready to save time and make cooking fun again? Click the link in the description to get your Fullstar Vegetable Chopper today and see why it's loved by thousands of home cooks.